Hey guys, and welcome. So in this one I'm showing you quickly and easily how to clear Windows 11 update cache to free space. So let us begin from the very straight up and straightforward method, which is from the settings. Open up your system settings, go to system, then navigate to storage, then you go to cleanup recommendations, and then you can, for example, clear out your recycle bin, downloads, and also you can see advanced options. And in here, as you can see, we have other stuff. So we are looking for update cache. So this is actually not here. Instead, you can just go ahead and open up your start menu and then search for disk cleanup. Okay, and this window will appear. So choose C drive, press OK. It will scan and give you this result. Instead, click on cleanup system files. Then you will have this once again. Press OK. It's going to scan it here. Okay, and now make sure to choose, as you can see, Windows Update Cleanup. So you can just uncheck everything else. Let me actually do that and clear it for myself as well. Haven't done it in a while. All right, don't touch that. So only update and press OK. As you can see, confirm, delete files. And now you'll have this progress window. As you can see, Windows Update Cleanup is now happening. Wait for it to finish and then you're good to go. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.